guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on our TTR110. Finally, we got a pit bike build on the channel. Alright guys, well I put a poll up on my Instagram to see what you guys wanted to see first. Now if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you check that out and make sure you're following me. Anyways, this is our new pit bike build. This is a 2018 TTR110. It's probably the worst condition 2018 pit bike of all time. When I bought this, it didn't run very well at all. Like it would start for like 10 seconds. And yeah, so with a little carb cleaner, we got it running. I hate carburetors, and sadly I got something with one of those, but we're getting there. Anyways, let's go take this thing inside and we can start tearing her down to the bare nothingness. And it shouldn't take too long because there's like no bolts that are tight at all. But yeah, let's go do it. Alrighty, like I said, we're going to be ripping this bike completely apart as we go over stuff. Yeah, the tube is completely ripped off and the wheel spins on it. And also the forks are leaking and we need to upgrade the suspension on the forks and the rear shock. And the handlebars on there are also actual motocross big bike handlebars on there. And the throttle cables are too short and everything, and we're also going to put tall bars on it. So the bike is overall going to be a little bit taller. Tweak some stuff on there. The exhaust is extremely pinched, and yeah, it just does not look good at all. I don't think it's breathing very well. The bike doesn't run that good, and I cleaned out the carburetor and everything. We might have to mess with some jetting on that as well. Front tire's pretty low. We have to check and see if any of the rims are bent. I didn't look too much on this thing. This is a big impulse buy situation. The front brakes are completely gone. I don't think there's anything even there. And wheel bearing is completely shot in the front. Chain is really floppy. Probably need a new one. And also the chain guide thing that goes over the swing arm is completely gone. Like I said, there ain't nothing to it but to do it. need something bigger. Mother trucker, why? Why is this so difficult? I just don't understand how this can be that tight. Oh, you kidding me? Come on, you son of a gun. I've been at this for like a half hour. Oh, thank you. I've done it. I've done it. Stupid shock. I think the whole reason was, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I think the whole time this thing is like slightly bent, and that's why it was such a pain. Yeah, I'm gonna get a new one of these, or just use a nut and bolt, I don't know. But yeah, that was like over a half hour of just smacking and busting up my fingies. Let's keep going. My goodness, my freaking hand is getting destroyed from this stupid thing. That was slightly my fault though. Probably should have taken this back wheel off before the whole swing arm. That would have been smart. Yeah, that's what I need to do. Son of a gun. Okay, before I do anything else stupid, I better take this off here. And that's really too tight. Yep, I knew this was way too tight. That's how it should feel. Nice. Alright, you guys see that right there? This is why you don't let children work on the bike. Even though you're a dad and you're the full mechanic for your children with both their practice bikes and their race bikes, and you have like 5 of the kids that just do this all, you got big monies, don't let them work on the pit bikes. Goodness me, everything on this bike is like 20 times worse than my K bikes that are like freaking over 20 some years old. Oh, that was already loose. Why? Alright. I guess we can drop the foot pegs. Alrighty guys, we got the whole entire motor here and the frame off and the carburetor off. But yeah, we got parts sitting around everywhere here. So what we gotta do is clean up everything and get it all painted. But like I said, clean up everything, get it all painted down. And I think we're gonna do that in the next video. So make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. And let me know if you like this kind of like ASMR type video. It did take me a long time to make it, but if you guys like this kind of video, make sure you let me know down in the comments below. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed. Hit the bell notification. I'll see you guys in the next one.